Hello YouTube, this is Dar from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with the haul, and I haven't had a chance to get it up. I did post, well, some of these on Instagram, not all of them, but these are just some more of the Spellbinder dies that are out, and I'm just show you some other and Momenta dies. So typically, because of my traveling and my schedule, I don't always get to get my videos up the same day, and I have the worst internet. So I usually try to put them on IG first, which is DaretoBeCreative 1, so you can always check there. And then usually the video will be up within a week. So sometimes I get stuff and I just don't get a chance to get a video up, and I do apologize, but I get up as soon as I can. This is, you've already seen this. This is just a different printed paper set than the other one by Pebbles, the mini envelopes, a 12 pack for $1.99. I mean $1.19, excuse me. 204-8399. You can make these, of course, but it's just the nice edges, and you still can make them with edges. But these are already done. You can quickly put a note card in here or decorate it and give it to it as a gift. So this was just the one with a different color than the other pack. I picked this up again. I already have these. I love these scissors, and I decided to get a second pair to keep in my stack. These are the spring-loaded scissors by way of Memory Keepers. I use this for fussy cutting, and the reason why I recommend one is very easy to use, especially if somebody has any problems with their hands. I don't, but they're very easy to cut with. They are sharp. They have a short nib, which makes it great for fussy cutting, but not only that, you can cut at the tip with it as well as cut back here. Some scissors you can't cut with the tip as well, or you can only cut in the back. All the way on this blade I've been able to cut with it, and I love it. The other trick is that once you get a pair of scissors you like, only cut that one thing with it. So if you only cut paper with it, only cut paper with it. If you only cut ribbons with it, only cut ribbons with it. If you only cut material, only materials. So you got to get your scissors designated to what it cuts, and that will keep the blade sharp. That's a tip. But I love these, especially for fussy cutting. These are great. I wouldn't want to do it like I got to cut a lot of big pieces out with it, only because the blades are short and it would be more work. But they are sharp, and they are good tool to have. So I recommend them if you're looking for, you know, when you have to cut out those intricate projects and you have to get into the grooves. Awesome. $4.99. 203-0927. So I just want to keep that extra pair in my stash because somehow stuff disappears. 3 Momenta dies, and they had more out, but most of them I already have. But if you're looking for some inexpensive dies, the Momentas are a good way to go, and they're only $3.99. So they had the, you know, I already showed the pineapple last week, and they got the flamingos and the mermaids, and I mean just everything you can think of. A lot of those I already have, so these are the ones that I didn't have. But they're usually $12.99 at Hobby Lobby or to Michael's. So they're only $3.99, so that's a good price point. And this is a 8-piece set right here. And Sea Creatures is $3.99 at 205-3214. So you got your dolphin, crab, and your shells, and your starfish, and you know, horseshoe, seahorse. So to me, that's a really good set for that price too. And then this one's the ice cream one. You know, again, 4-piece set, 205-3210. So you got your donuts, your pizza, your pretzel, and your ice cream. All the stuff you need to stay away from. And then it's the Mr. and the Mrs. 205-3212. Just a nice little font, and you always can use this little leaf right here. You got your ampersand, and then this little swirl right here that you can use on any product. That swirl, the ampersand, and the leaf, the Levine thing, you don't have to use that for a wedding or Mr. and Mrs. There, you can use those separately on any project. So don't think just because you don't need a Mr. and Mrs. that you couldn't use that. So that's those 3. And then I did pick up this. I don't think I had this one with the Celebrations collection. I have to check. I think I had the tag one, but not this. But this, I noticed the price went up after I got it. I was thinking it was $4.99, but it's $5.99. And I'm pretty sure they were not $5.99 when they were out the first time. Pretty sure they weren't. But this is the Pennant Trio, so I got to double check. So this is going back. But it's, and the Spellbinders number is SCD-018. And this is by Richard Garra. The Celebrations line is his line. And it's 204-5505. And they're actually, I'll show you the size on those. So you got your heart, your stars, and then your chevrons. But I don't think I had that. And I I did pick up this other Anna Griffin card set. It says thank you. And I'm going to make these, and I will give those to my aunt as well. 201028. She paid for the other one, but she didn't pay for this one, but I'm going to still make this set and give that to her. I showed you in the video the cards that I put together, the Anna Griffin ones. Now these I got to double check on, I think one of these to make sure, two of these I don't have, which is this one. I don't think I have the heart circles, but I got to double check. So to go back, it says Doily Heart Circles, and the number is 204-7544, and it's $4.99. But check, because I noticed last week some of these are $5.99, so the prices are going up. This is October date, but the other ones had October date too, but it came in like 2 weeks later. So when it came in with the second round of dies, when I got this one, whenever I showed my last video, which is probably a week by the time you get this one up, they came, I got them a day apart, but I just didn't have a chance to get this video up. But some of the stores have $5.99, so the prices went up, but they were still October dates, so they were in the same month. But the first shipment of the Spellbinders dies for the first 2 weeks were $4.99, and then the last 2 weeks some were $5.99 and some were $4.99. So just watch the price. Don't know why, but I know they're going up. 204-7544. Probably because we bought them. And this is Romantic Blooms 3. And I think I have Romantic Blooms 2, but I don't think I have 3. Did I read that? 204-7576. $4.99. This is the one I think I have too. The Classic Scallop Hearts. 204-7548. And this is a 6-piece set. And I'll show you how big the largest one is on that one. And again, if somebody's starting out, nesting dies are a great one to have, because you can make shakers, you can make layers, alternate your colors and things like that. And this, for this one, that's the biggest flower right there, so that's a nice size flowers. I know I recently got the 2, but I can't remember if I already had that 3. I'll show you this one, the biggest size on this one. So, nice size there. Always check them, if you don't use them yet, because sometimes they're not all in there. And then the last one I got, which is Labels 45. Sure I don't have that one. And that number is 204-7564. So again, that's the largest, and that's the smallest. And again, it's nice to have layering dies, because you can do different things with that to make your card or your layout more dimensional. It's especially good to have those kind of nesting dies for beginners too, when you're trying to start out with your stash. Alright, so thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you. Be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.